Oh, it's Mick from Custom Cruise. You can see here's Rockasee that we've been doing. Beautiful looking bike. Fitted the Paugho springers on it, which officially can't be done. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. Got the big fat bars on. These are 1 1/4, and as you can see, the risers are 1 1/4 as well, which means you haven't got that horrible thin bit in the middle. Chrome switch gear. Beautiful looking thing. Big ass risers. Nice with the chrome switch gear. All the braided cables need obviously locating, and will be. And as you can see, this brake line is temporary, just to sort of mock it up, as are these clamps. But works quite well with this particular bagger fender, or like rapper fender, whatever you want to call it. It's got the Ultima brake. We've had a one-off caliper bracket made here, which will allow us to use the springers and the fender bracket all in one. This is an R&S carbon fibre fender, which means it's very, very strong, and obviously a hell of a lot lighter weight than a normal fender. But this side here is the awkward side. We've got the ABS, which that happens to be the same size. Okay, or same size as that, which would actually be there. And then we've had a bracket made, but unfortunately the bracket isn't wide enough, and this would fit like this. But unfortunately it's not going to work, so we're going to have to look at another option. There was a guy from Italy actually had a solid billet bracket, came from this side completely over the top, which looked pretty cool, because then there was no bracket at all on this side, which is another option that you've got. But quite a lot of machining up to now just to get this far. But as you can see, cracking fender from R&S. Guys interested in having all this trim so you can see the white wall, which technically could be done. Not my expertise, I'm afraid. I wouldn't dare touch a 500 odd pound fender with a Dremel or whatever just to try and make it look cool. But still stunning looking bike, or it will be when it's finished. You can see Paugho springers, proper jobs. Apparently Harley Davidson actually sold them all the tooling to make them when they stopped producing springers on the later bikes. But if you want something different, don't call us. This has been a fucking nightmare. That's lit, Nick. Yeah. But very cool bike. Just got to fit this. This is a one-off bracket made here as well. Refit the headlight, put the shock on, and away we go. Like the song says, this has been a hell. Anyway, Mike from CustomCruise.com, 01773835666, CustomCruise.com, or the new site if we ever get it sorted, or the stupid French at Presta Shop do. You wish. CustomCruises.eu. Thank you.